This tutorial provides a brief introduction to the Google Docs stuff that was just released by Google recently. To get to it, go to Google's homepage and then click on the More link here, and then click on the Even More link. When it comes up over here in the right column, you'll see a link that's labeled Docs and Spreadsheets. Go ahead and click on that link. In order to use Google Docs and Spreadsheets, you will have to sign up for a free Google account, which you can do right here. And once you have your Google account set up, enter your username, which is your email address, and the password you gave yourself, and click the Sign In button. Google Docs, at least the document section of it, is set up so that you can create documents online without the need of Microsoft Word, although you can create rich text format, Word docs, PDFs, all kinds of things. And the benefit is not only can you create these documents yourselves, but you can invite others to collaboratively edit with you. As you can see here, I have a number of documents that I've already created, uploaded, or entered into my list of documents here. And I think first we'll just take a look at creating a new document. To do that, I come up here and click on New Document. And you're looking at the document editing page. The white area down here is your document body, and most of these icons should appear familiar to you. This is the standard Microsoft Word formatting bar, and you can put type in here. You can change the color of type, change your fonts, cut, copy, paste. You can copy things from the web or from another Word document on your machine and paste it in here. I'll open up a document that I've already created so we can look at some of the editing features. Here's a review I wrote of a document from a research paper on MP3 files and podcasting. And you can click and drag, highlight, cut, paste, change your justification, left, centered. You can indent, you can outdent, you can create bulleted lists, numbered lists, create web links. You can use highlighting, lots of different colors to highlight text. All the things that you normally do working with a Word document you can do here. You can preview it, you can print it, you can even email it to a friend. When you're done making your changes, you can click on Save and keep editing, or you can click on Save and close. If you don't want to keep any of your changes, simply click the Discard Changes button. You also have the option of clicking on the File button over here, and notice you can save it as rich text format, you can save it in Word format, or you can even save it as a PDF. When you choose these functions under File, it saves them on your computer, not on the storage space here on Google. You can rename the document, count the words, or find and replace, and as you can see, this particular function right here is still under development. Under the Insert tab, notice that you can insert an image, a link, a comment, a table, and other special characters and separators available to you. The Revision tab highlights the revision capabilities of this environment. Notice that 60 seconds ago on this document it shows that this text was highlighted and then it was deleted or struck out or whatever. I did some work on it. For instance, if you're working with others on a single document, you're collaborating with others and they make some big changes that you just don't want to have to go back and undo, you can find, oh, here's a revision 2 hours ago. You can say, okay, this is the way I want it to look, and you can say, or click on the Revert to this one button over here, and it will undo all those changes. So revision control is a really nice thing to have. As I said earlier, the Collaborate tab is where you can list people that you invite to come and edit the document with you. And I don't have much here to show right now because I haven't invited anyone. The Publish tab lets you publish this document either directly to a blog site, as an HTML page, or a number of other things. So overall, this is I have used this particular tool about a year and a half ago. I started using it when it was called Writely.com. Since then, Google has bought it, or smart buy on their part, because it's a wonderful tool for collaborating over a distance, especially if you're working on projects that require writing or editing. So I would encourage you to go to Google and sign up for a free account, and then jump into Google Docs and play around with this tool. It's a great tool for collaboration.